The 2009-2015 Volvo XC60 key fob uses a CR2032 or CR1620 lithium coin cell battery. When your fob stops working or has a significantly reduced range, it's likely the battery needs replacing. Purchase a new battery online or at any auto parts store for typically under $10. To replace it, locate the small notch on the side of the fob. Insert a flathead screwdriver or key blade into this notch and gently pry the two halves of the fob casing apart. Be careful not to force it to avoid cracking the plastic. Note the orientation of the old battery, positive side up, before removing it with a screwdriver. Inspect the contacts for corrosion and clean if needed. Insert the new battery with the correct polarity. Snap the fob halves back together and test to ensure it is working. When replacing the battery, wear gloves to avoid transferring oils to the electronics. Always dispose of old lithium batteries at a recycling center to comply with e-waste laws. If the fob fails after battery replacement, you may have a deeper issue like a faulty transmitter or internal wiring, which would require professional diagnosis. While battery replacement is currently a necessity for these older models, automotive technology is shifting away from physical fobs towards digital keys and biometric systems. Future trends include eco-friendly rechargeable batteries and app-based keys, reducing the need for manual battery replacements. Some companies are also exploring key fobs that use wireless charging.